Hold on, quickly before I do this one, I would just like to say I've got some smashing CDs and DVDs that are a £5 a pop and some t-shirts that are a £10 a pop. And I would like to say I'm not like normal bands where I will get all that money and I will spend it on drugs which I will stick up my arsehole, or I will spend on whores which I will then get drugs and sniff off of the tits of. Any money I make on my merchandise tonight is going to go on sending my nan on holiday to Switzerland. Thank you. And to finish up on this last one, this is an everyman song, everyone can relate to this, and it's all about losing a bet in the workplace. Thank you very much. This was never the way I planned, not my intention. I was labouring on a building site, doing an extension. It's not what I'm used to. I just needed the cash in hand. I lost a bet with Dave the bricklayer, and as a forfeit I had to suck his gland. I sucked off the bloke, I didn't like it, the taste of his cheesy dipstick. I sucked off the bloke, can't deny it. I knew I should have took that job at Quick Fit. It felt so wrong, oh it seemed strangely apt, when everyone stood in a circle and clapped. I sucked off the bloke, I didn't like it. I didn't like it. And so the next day back on site, lots of banter followed. How was I supposed to know? I didn't have to swallow. It's not what proper blokes do, not how they should behave. I can't show my face down the pub since I noshed off that bricky Dave. I sucked off a bloke, I didn't like it, the feel of his veiny fuckstick. I sucked off a bloke, can't deny it, cause someone Facebooked a photo of it. It felt so wet, it took so long. Do you think that I was doing it wrong? I sucked off a bloke, I didn't like it. I didn't like it. Us blokes, we don't do things by half, and on site they like to have a laugh. And sometimes someone gets sucked off, and someone films it on their mobile phone. Ain't no big deal, but don't show his wife. She's better take it out of context. I sucked off a bloke, I didn't like it. It didn't help, he hadn't washed his helmet. Sucked off a bloke, can't deny it. It tasted like a bag of what's-its. It felt so wrong, it tasted so rank. I wish that I'd just give him a wank. I sucked off a bloke, I didn't like it. I didn't like it. I fucking didn't. Thank you.